2, 1, go. 3 workers. 1 worker. 2. Give it to me. Because you know I have to change. Yeah. Let me. 15 seconds left. 15 seconds for production. You have 2 minutes to work out and reorganize yourselves to make sure that production is efficient. We're going to have 6 or 7 people in the production line at the end of the round.
I'll join.
So wait, you sit over there. You sit over here.
We have a person separating the table, the other one is sitting in open.
And then when you're done with this,
Yeah, switch you guys. I'm just gonna like place all the.
But then if we have time, you can.
Any strategies? Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. Okay, let's begin with your new strategies and see if the production goes and begin. Okay, 10 seconds left. Come on. Okay, everybody is joining in on the production line. Last 2 minutes. What are we doing? 30 seconds left.
Are these all like stick together?
What was your strategy to increase production once you had 3 or 4 workers? What did you change?
We had the folding and the pen product like quite quickly. So we need to introduce more tapes.
Yeah. So more people working on this, right? Okay. How about over here?
Now it's full.
In making the paper, like we had a problem because we only had 1 pen.
Yes.
And then it kept on piling up until the point where my snowman started looking.
Broke down each step, but then again it was piling up on 1 person because 2 weren't.
So the whole point of me giving you 1 pen was for me to actually show you what happens typically in factories and why companies have to plan for when they buy certain machinery. First 3 questions in the back and talk amongst each other if you
The
need
quality is exactly when you added the second person. Yes. Yes. We
What does the factory want? Quality or quantity? It's
I don't know.
quantity.
Maybe quality. Okay. Were you able to produce packages faster when you added the second person? Why?
Yes, because 0 to 3.
So like, 1 person folded, and we gave that paper to the other one, and that person was taping, and we were folding again.
Oh,
Then-
and then he gives the
and he
taped
gave-
one to me, and then I
tape. You
I
tape
draw
it.
and write.
What you've just demonstrated with your 1 pen, 1 roll of tape, and many workers is what we call the law of diminishing returns. Okay, diminishing means getting smaller, return to 2 workers to 3 workers, because we specialize. So specialize or specialization is the economic term. So this is our understanding based on the activity we did right now. Over here is the very fancy.
It's being all constantly 3, increasing by 3.
Okay, so that's interesting. So you did not actually hit
No, we
diminishing
didn't.
returns, huh?
It's 17.
I see. So an explanation for that might be you were really inefficient in the beginning. Oh, so it looks like when you added your 4th worker, for some reason the production went down, right? And your 5th round was a little bit longer. So I would actually say that it was your 4th worker. You can say that diminishing returns did not happen yet. But if you predict what would happen if you had another 7 workers, we're probably going to get slower and slower, right?
But then it's like getting better.
Okay.
Then like 4 days.
Break it in half.